The C-5M Super Galaxy is a massive military transport aircraft capable of carrying large cargo and troops over long distances. With a cargo capacity of over 130 tons, the C-5M can transport military tanks, helicopters, and even other aircraft. But do you think carrying a full-sized fire truck in an aircraft is an easy task? Well, let me introduce you to the C-5M Super Galaxy, one of the largest aircraft in the world. This mighty aircraft is specifically designed to transport heavy cargo and equipment over long distances. In fact, it is capable of carrying and transporting a satellite across the country. Its loading ramp and side doors make it easy to load and unload cargo, even in austere locations. The airmen from the 120th Airlift Wing and 60th Air Mobility Wing are loading 3 fire trucks onto the C-5M Super Galaxy for delivery to Belize. The fire trucks are being transported as part of the Defense Department's Denton program, which provides humanitarian aid. The C-5M Super Galaxy's ability to transport heavy cargo also saves time and money compared to other modes of transportation. Instead of having to disassemble the fire truck and ship it in pieces, the C-5M Super Galaxy can transport it whole, ready for use upon arrival. This can save time and money when it comes to reassembling and getting the fire trucks ready for use. The C-5M is also capable of airlifting large numbers of troops and their equipment, making it a vital asset in times of war and disaster relief operations. The fire trucks will be secured inside the Super Galaxy, ensuring their safe delivery to Belize. Once the cargo has been safely positioned inside the aircraft's cargo hold, the doors are securely closed to ensure that the cargo remains protected and secure during the flight. Alongside the process of loading cargo, the aircraft undergoes essential maintenance procedures to ensure its optimal performance and safety. This includes thorough inspections of the aircraft's systems, such as engines, hydraulics, avionics, and fuel systems. During the fueling process, specialized fuel trucks are used to deliver jet fuel, which is the type of fuel typically used by military aircraft. The fuel is carefully pumped into the aircraft's fuel tanks, which are located in the wings and the fuselage. Moreover, thorough checks are carried out on critical systems to guarantee their optimal functionality. Once the doors are closed, the C-5M Super Galaxy is ready for takeoff and the transportation of its valuable cargo to its designated destination. It is powered by 4 General Electric CF680C2 turbofan engines, which have been upgraded to provide increased power and fuel efficiency. These upgrades have increased the C-5M's range by over 1,500 miles, allowing it to fly further and faster than ever before.
Come one is primary. Come one. It's 59 to 67. Yeah.
41 Tango Heavy.
So, once I get to 59 to 67, I feel good. Then I can answer any questions if the engineer asks or if anybody asks maintenance, once we land.
It is also equipped with advanced avionics, navigation, and communication systems, making it easier for the crew to navigate and communicate in any environment.
You ready for the flash?
Ready for the flash, caster, and center.
Alright, he has it. You have a
And
clear
brakes.
right, clear in the front.
No brakes. Alright, we are clear left.
The C-5M Super Galaxy is operated by the U.S. Air Force and has been used in a wide range of missions, including humanitarian aid, disaster relief, and military operations. With its massive cargo capacity and long-range capabilities, the C-5M Super Galaxy is a vital asset for the U.S. military and its allies. During long-distance missions, the C-5M Super Galaxy undergoes aerial refueling to extend its range and endurance. Aerial refueling involves receiving fuel from another aircraft, allowing the C-5M to stay airborne for extended periods, without the need for landing and refueling on the ground. The aerial refueling process is carried out by a tanker aircraft equipped with a drogue system, which extends a fueling hose towards the receiver aircraft. The fuel is transferred through a probe located on the receiver aircraft, which is connected to the fueling receptacle on the tanker aircraft. This allows fuel to flow from the tanker to the C-5M in midair, providing the necessary fuel to extend the range and endurance of the C-5M Super Galaxy. This capability is essential for long-range missions, where the aircraft needs to cover vast distances without the limitation of traditional refueling stops.
The C5 is a workhorse. It takes a lot of manpower and a lot of hours to get these things airborne, but when it is fully loaded, carrying cargo, doing its mission, it is a sight to see.
The C-5M Super Galaxy is a true testament to the capabilities of modern military technology and will continue to play a vital role in protecting the interests of the United States and its allies for years to come. Picture this, 3 fully loaded fire trucks neatly tucked inside the C-5M Super Galaxy's massive cargo hold. It's a sight to behold and a testament to the incredible cargo-carrying capabilities of this aircraft. From life-saving vehicles to vital equipment, the C-5M Super Galaxy can transport it all. So, what are your thoughts on the incredible capabilities of the C-5M Super Galaxy? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.